How to build wealth with AI marketing. The use of artificial intelligence, AI, in marketing has touched the mainstream. You would be hard-pushed to find companies, big and small, that don't employ top AI marketing tools to promote their brands or enterprises. If you're a blogger, an e-commerce entrepreneur, or an affiliate marketer, taking use of AI-powered marketing tools should be a part of your company game plan. With it, you can run and put together an effective marketing strategy that will allow you to hit your goals faster. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. What is an AI marketing tool? An AI marketing tool is a software or platform that employs artificial intelligence technology to produce automated judgments. These judgments are founded on obtained data that's examined and interpreted together with the market trend. The goal is to build a marketing plan that predicts the buyer's next action. All of this is done in real time without the intervention of an actual human. It's this capacity to make automatic decisions at lightning speed that makes AI marketing solutions for companies so formidable. Best AI marketing tools you should be using today. S1. Phrasee. Perfect for researching and developing excellent ad content. Phrasee is an AI technology that focuses on brand language optimization. This AI-driven marketing technology works by increasing the brand language used by corporations in their copies. It may generate a copy for emails, Instagram, Facebook, or even push alerts utilizing a natural language generation system coupled with a machine learning algorithm. The outcome is a human-sounding copy that is brand-compatible and effective. It claims Virgin and Domino's as among its clients. 2. SEMrush. Position tracking allows you check where you rank for specified keywords. SEMrush is the Swiss Army knife of SEO tools. Its full package enables you to do SEO, content marketing campaigns, social media marketing, PPC, analytics, and more. One of its finest characteristics is its position tracker. It gives businesses with a chance to track how they rank for keywords against other sites. You can even examine how your site ranks versus the top 100 in Google's organic or paid results. Another amazing feature is its content marketing toolkit. It enables users run subject searches to figure out what's trending and construct content marketing strategy from there. They count popular ethical skincare business, Lush Cosmetics, as among their clients. 3. Seventh Sense. Optimizing email marketing campaigns. An AI email marketing campaign solution, Seventh Sense ensures your emails get sent at the optimal time for each customer. This customized solution allows advertisers to communicate with their audience better, knowing they will be viewing their emails at the most optimal time. The smart platform also assists with enhancing email deliverability, which enhances the sender score. This is an essential element for organizations who send out hundreds or thousands of emails a week. Seventh Sense is designed to operate with HubSpot and Marketo exclusively. 4. SmartWriter.ai. Perfect for establishing personalized email outreach. SmartWriter.ai supports in automating your email outreach. This AI application generates a customized email, including a personal subject line to grab the interest of customers. It also enables backlink generation, Shopify product title and description writing, and even personalized cold email outreach. It also provides for connectivity with other third-party tools and platforms to boost your cold email outreach process. 5. Optimove. Optibot, the built-in optimization marketing bot. Optimove is a consumer data platform with AI-based marketing functionalities. It helps collect data from numerous platforms to create a unified view of all the information in one dashboard. Businesses can examine or share the information as well as establish marketing strategies with ease. Optibot, their AI tool, scours and analyzes all the customer data provided to provide actionable insights. It can propose which initiatives to eliminate based on loss or let you know which clients may be too exposed to company communication. Optimove's clientele include John Hardy, Sweaty Betty, and the New York Racing Association Inc. 6. Grammarly. Powerful grammar and spell checker. Grammarly is one of the best free marketing tools for any business. This sophisticated AI content marketing technology allows firms to double examine their written copy to make sure it's clean and professional. It offers very accurate AI that evaluates spelling and punctuation in real time online. However, you can also install it as an extension for Google Chrome. More powerful services including testing for tone, clarity, and style are available in premium and business models. 7. Long-form content production and optimization, SEO. Market Muse prides itself for using AI technology in all of its services. The application is meant for organizations wanting aid in generating optimal long-form content like emails, sales copies, landing pages, or articles. It starts by undertaking deep AI research into the issue. Then, it develops a first draft based on the chosen subject to help users get started with the copy. It also offers KPIs and a content brief to serve as a guide. Users can continue changing the copy using the built-in editor and mold it according to the AI suggestions. 8. Scores existing content so it matches brand metrics and rules. This AI-powered marketing program increases the quality of content, so it satisfies brand parameters. Big corporations like Google and Amazon use this technology to make sure all their marketing content corresponds with their brand. You can select style, tone, grammar, and even add in company-specific terminology. Its AI will look through the content and make ideas for improvements. 9. Insta-Text checks for basic grammar, spelling while still keeping the writer's voice. Insta-Text is an online AI-powered writing tool comparable to Grammarly. It performs fundamental duties like grammar and spell checks but goes a step further by rearranging sentences, so it reads better. Its most essential aspect is its power to ensure the tone and style of the writer is kept despite the rewriting. This is vital for brands who want to keep their authentic voice in all of their messaging. Another wonderful Insta-Text feature is that enables you to define numerous keywords. When you utilize the application, it keeps the keywords as is, saving you time when altering the copy. 10. Instantaneous and precise translation of files and documents. If you're a firm serving a global market, it's beneficial to offer precise translations of your marketing content or text. DeepL is a strong AI application that translates papers and files into numerous popular languages of your choosing. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing facts, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.